This type of wiper blade is probably the most common and easiest to replace. In fact, we're going to replace a Bosch icon with a Bosch icon. And I think it's a good idea, anytime you're replacing windshield wipers, is to put a rag or a couple of shop towels folded up underneath the arm in case you drop it and it won't damage the windshield. This particular blade is replaced by pushing a little tab, opening it up, and sliding the J-hook forward and out of the wiper. And then, to put the new wiper on, open its little tab, put the J-hook in, close the tab, and we're ready to do the next one.